Now, for many people that are on their journey to not drinking alcohol, when they stop drinking it, they start looking for replacements. Now, because they've taken something away from their life that they thought added real value, what they want to do is they want to replace it with something of equal value. And that can take the form of other drugs, like a lot of people maybe replace it with weed or cigarettes, or maybe they replace it with a meeting or church. People start to look for things to replace that drinking time, that alcohol, that substance with. But what I'm going to do for you in this video is I'm going to give you the ultimate replacement. If you replace alcohol with the thing that I'm going to explain in this video, your drinking will never look the same again. Your mindset will change forever. And it is not going to be what you think, right? You will not expect what I'm going to talk about today unless you've been watching this channel for a long time. If you've been watching this channel for a long time, you probably already know what I'm going to say. But wherever you are on your journey, whether you're still thinking of stopping drinking or you're in, day 30, day 60, day 180, whatever, you can still replace alcohol with this thing and it is still going to change your life forever. And guys, just before we actually get into the replacement, if you want to get my help stopping drinking and you want to go through the Sober Clear program where we use first principles thinking and then you join a community of others with coaching calls and things like that, click the link in the description and you can book a call with me. On that call, we'll just have a conversation, and what we'll basically do is see if the Sober Clear program could be a good match for you. If it's a good match, we'll make you an offer. We can get started working together and get your drinking under control once and for all. So if you want more details and you want to book a call, click the link in the description. But now back to the replacement. So to start the video off, I want you to imagine this scenario. Imagine you head out to a pub or a bar or a restaurant tomorrow and nobody was drinking alcohol. No one was drinking wine, nobody was drinking beer. Every single person in the restaurant had found this new drink, and the drink was called bleach, right? Everybody's decided that there's this new thing. Nobody wants alcohol anymore. Everybody wants bleach. And we've got 5% beer, bleach beer, right? We've got 5% wine, 5% bleach wine. We've also got spirits. We've got 40% bleach, vodka, whatever. We've got this new thing in town. Everybody's drinking bleach. Now, I'm sure that you wouldn't want to start drinking the bleach, right? You'd look at these people and you'd be like, why on earth are you doing that? Have you lost your mind? You would be under no illusion that what they're doing is drinking poison. They're drinking a hazardous substance that's probably going to kill them. And the reason why is because you've not been brought up to see bleach as a good thing, as a beneficial thing, as something that enhances our life. Now, would you feel the need to sit in that restaurant and order the new drink? No. So, but does that mean that you're going to order the bleach-free beer, right? There's no bleach, no alcohol, but it's called bleach-free beer and bleach-free wine. Are you really going to buy that? Of course not. You are going to think this is ludicrous. Why on earth am I going to replace a bleach drink with a bleach-free drink? You'd think it's madness. Now, that is the way I see alcohol-free drinks, replacing alcohol, right? Why would I need to replace a poison with anything? But the only reason why you think that you would need a replacement for alcohol is that if you think that alcohol is a good thing. It is a beneficial thing, right? We don't see bleach as a beneficial thing. We're not crazy. So we don't feel the need to replace it. But because we have bought into an illusion that alcohol enhances our life, we feel the need to replace it. And I am telling you, there is no need to replace alcohol. However, if you buy into the illusion of it being a good thing, you will always be looking for a replacement. Always. It doesn't matter if you've not drank for 3 months or 20 years. If you still see alcohol as a good thing, you will always look for a replacement. And it's why I don't go to meetings. I don't need meetings. I don't need help. I just don't drink alcohol because I've fully made the decision to not drink it based on a logical choice. I've changed my perception. I see alcohol the same way that you would see bleach. So what on earth would I replace alcohol with? There's nothing to replace it with. But you must change your perception, right? You need to start seeing it as poison. When you see it as poison, there is nothing to replace it with. But I promise you something. I did promise you that I would give you a replacement for alcohol. Now, I'm not going to lie. For many of us, when we stop drinking it, we have a lot of time, right? We've got our evenings back, we've got our mornings back, and the hours that we spend drinking and recovering from drinking are now free. And you can replace that time with something else, but you don't need to replace the alcohol. What you can start doing with the new time that you've got is start working on you. Start getting back to the gym, start taking your health seriously, start taking your family life seriously, start taking your career and your business seriously, start taking your spiritual life seriously, and instead of trying to replace alcohol, go all in to your personal life. Just start making yourself a little bit better every day. Pick up some new skills, some new hobbies, start working on things, and just start making progress. To me, that is the ultimate replacement for alcohol. And to me, that is what every single person that is stopping drinking should do. Without fail, I don't think there's a single person in the world that would not benefit from, instead of trying to replace alcohol, is simply removing it from their life and getting busy with things. Trying to make that 1% improvement every single day. I promise you that if you replace alcohol with self-improvement and really living your best life, you will not recognize yourself 6 months from now. And then 6 months later, you won't recognize yourself again. And 2 years down the line, you'll be evolved. You'll be a completely different person. That is the ultimate replacement for drinking alcohol. It's making you better. And that's why I love making these videos, because I know that every day, more and more of you are waking up to the truth. More and more of you are making the logical decision to put alcohol behind of you. And more of you are seeing your lives explode in an amazing way. Hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.